today?
Hey,
Ah.
One semester later, graduation day.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we will be going to explain the effect and cause of global warming. But before we jump right into the effect, let us look at the factor of global warming.
What causes global warming? One of the factors is forest fire. On the left side, you can see there is a forest fire taking place. Why? According to research, nearly 96% of wildfire in the United States are caused by humans. Human-caused fire result from campfire left forgotten, discharges secrets, agriculture, and so many more.
However, lightning can occur naturally. Lightning is the one of the two causes of wildfires.
Forest fires have caused extensive damage in recent years, leading to the loss of animals, habitats, and health problems from the inhalation of smoke. Infrastructures and business can be causing extensive environmental damage in forest and agriculture areas.
forest fires also contribute to global warming through the emission of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide and greenhouse gases increase the greenhouse effect, causing global warming to take place. Therefore, more heat is trapped, causing depletion of the ozone layer.
Because of that, the Earth will get hot. It will result in melting glaciers and early snowmelt in several countries. Therefore, how can we save our Earth?
We can save our Earth by building recreational areas to preserve the forest and the habitat of animals. Besides that, the government should organize a campaign to raise more awareness among people. Last but not least, be a volunteer to take part in useful activities such as planting the trees, because we believe one tree makes million.
The matches.
Our Mother Earth needs us. The future now is in our hand.
Let's save the Earth together.